So tell Mama what you said about your monster truck.
Monster truck.
You're gonna have a really big monster truck. Is that what you
Yeah.
said? Yeah. Who's gonna ride in it?
Big!
Who's gonna ride with you?
It's a big monster truck.
Okay. And who's gonna ride with you? Who'd you tell Mama who's gonna ride with you?
Archie.
Audrey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is Audrey your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aubrey, ride my monster truck.
Audrey's gonna ride your monster truck. Audrey, your girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. Audrey's your girl?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Where are you gonna take her?
Home.
You're gonna take her home?
Yeah.
Oh my Lord. You are crazy. You're gonna take her out to eat first?
Yeah.
All right. What are you gonna eat?
Great.
You're gonna eat a grape?
Yeah.
I think Audrey wants more to eat than just a grape. Huh? Gonna get a big old cow steak?
No.
No? How about some chicken?
I want cow.
Okay.
Want cow.
All right.